Do you want to turn your boring presentation slides into interactive ones without spending hours of your time? Let me show you in this tutorial how you can do that within 4 minutes, and you can use this for any presentations of yours. Without wasting much time, let's see how to do that. I already prepared a slide deck of 4 slides, and I will show how to make these slides interactive. On the first slide, insert a rounded edge rectangular shape. Make the edges round using the yellow pointer on the shape. I have used 6.2-inch height and 1.29-inch width for the shape. Position the shape on the left part of the slide. Now format the shape with no outline and a suitable color of your choice. Go to Insert and insert 4 relevant icons from the PowerPoint icons library. Adjust the size of the icons. Place them on top of the rounded edge rectangle one after another. Adjust the position of the first icon so that it is perfectly in the middle of the rounded shape. Select other icons, align them to the right, and then distribute them horizontally. Now format the icons with white color. Now select the first icon and go to Insert tab and select Actions. In the subsequent window, select Hyperlink to and select Slides. Select the first slide for the first icon. Do the same process for the other icons. Select Second Slides for the second icon, Third Slide for the third, and Fourth Slide for the fourth icon. Once done, go to the Insert tab. Insert a circle on top of the first icon. Adjust the size of the circle so that it perfectly covers the icon on top of the rounded edge rectangle. Right-click on the circle and send it back. Right-click on the rounded edge shape and send it back. Now select the circle and format with no outline and suitable color. Select all the shapes and icons from the left side of the slide and copy them by pressing Ctrl and C. Paste the copied objects into the subsequent slides. Now go to the second slide and adjust the circle position so that it covers the second icon. Go to the third slide and drag the circle on top of the third icon. Go to the fourth slide and drag it on top of the fourth icon. The slides are ready now. Select all the slides and go to the Transition tab. Select Morph Transition and adjust the duration to 1 second. Your interactive slide deck should be ready now. Put it on presentation mode and check. If you enjoyed the tutorial, like the video and leave a comment. If you are new to the channel, subscribe for more useful content like this. Thank you for watching.